Hi friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Cart. You can get all-in-one CHAKLI, one of the crunchy, tasty Indian snack. Having the CHAKLI during the rainy day, wow, just amazing. Let's prepare. Take 3/4 cup of black gram. Heat the black grams in a pan. Now it is roasted into golden color. Allow them to cool down. Take 2 cups of rice flours into a pan and also 1/4 cup of the chana dal powder. Just fry it. Put into a bowl. Take few curry leaves and fry it well. Powder the black gram in a blender jar. Add it to the bowl. Take small size of hing and put the water and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds, and add salt as per your taste. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Prepare powder of the curry leaves. Next add the curry leaves powder. Add the hing water. Mix the flours by adding hot water. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I forget to show you adding the oil. The CHAKLI dough become like this consistency. See, this is my CHAKLI maker. Place the portion of the dough inside it. It is time to make CHAKLI. Press the CHAKLI maker to prepare the CHAKLI like this. Let's design more and more. Heat the oil in a pan. Take dosha spatula and apply the oil on it. Take designed dough like this and put it in the oil carefully. You can fry 3 to 4 CHAKLIs at a time. Gently flip when one side is golden. Remove the CHAKLI as soon as they started to brown. Place them on the paper towel to remove excess oil. Look at here, it's too crunchy. Serve the CHAKLI as a crunchy snack with black hot tea. Okay friends, try it out. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe.